Do you replay conversations in your head over and over again? Things you said, things you didn't say. That moment when you think, I should have said it differently. Most people think this is overthinking, but psychology tells a different story. If you constantly replay your words in your head, you don't have a weak mind. You might actually have rare traits most people don't. The first trait is extreme self-awareness. You don't just speak, you observe yourself speaking. Your brain constantly evaluates tone, timing, and impact. This level of awareness is exhausting, but it's also rare. The second trait is high empathy. You don't replay conversations because of ego, you replay them because you care how others felt. You analyze reactions, facial expressions, silence. That's not weakness, that's emotional intelligence. The third trait is a mind built for pattern recognition. Your brain looks for cause and effect. If I said this, it led to that. This is the same mental skill used by strategists and psychologists, but without control, it turns into mental loops. The fourth trait is responsibility for words. You don't treat words as harmless sounds. You know words can shape relationships. That's why your mind rechecks them. Most people forget what they said 5 minutes ago. You don't. The fifth and rarest trait is delayed processing. Some minds understand things later, not instantly. Your brain connects the dots after the moment passes. That's why clarity comes at night. Here's the important part. Replaying conversations isn't the problem. Getting stuck in them is. A sharp mind needs direction. Otherwise, it turns against itself. You're not broken. You're just wired differently.